Well, today we're going to do a wonderful exercise. But before I get started, I want to tell you that Singing for a Lifetime is truly an amazing group. We love getting together and we do exercises similar to the ones that I'm giving you, but with them I change them up and we have several that we do together. Right now I'm going to do one. It is chromatic movement, so I'm going to show you. We're only going to do three. We're only going to do 3 exercises, and you're going to take a nice deep breath. I might add 4. Let's see what we do. Let's see how you're doing. Take a nice deep breath. Keep the body up. Ladies, this one is for you. All right, here we go. And it's on ah. Keep the mouth open. And off. Did you do it? Let's try it again. We're going to start, let's start back at that note again. Here we go. On ah, keep the body up, mouth open, lift at the top. Here we go. And relax. Here we go again. Pretty, honey. I'll say it's pretty. Yeah. Let's start here. Okay, right here, you're on your own now. Here we go. And off. All right, here we go on the next one. Oh my gosh. Mouth open. Oh, let me do that again. I made buh-buh. Again. Take another breath. Do that one again. Here we are. One more. Just you. Very nice. Very pretty. Shall we do one more? Let's do this one here again. Keep it light. Let's go back up. Ooh, up here. Up here now. There you go. We're going to go up here. Just you. Keep the mouth open. Now we're going to jump. Let's jump. Here we go. For those ladies who like to go high, let's go up here. Ooh. Yes. Ooh, we gotta come up here. You can do it. Mouth open. Take a nice breath. Here we go. Open. And one last one. good. So good. Now, you ended on a really high note. Let's go down a little bit on a lower note and resolve all this one with a nice easiness here. One last one, okay? Yeah, that was great. Take a deep breath and relax. This is very soothing for the voice. So if you've done some heavy exercises, this is really great. So I'm going to see you on the next video, but remember, what do you have to do? Oh my gosh. You got to subscribe. You know you have to subscribe. Ring that bell, cause it's such a day, yeah. Such a fun day, yeah. Bye-bye.